Morning everyone.
Morning.
Can you see all right? It's a bit dark here.
A bit light there.
Oh wait a minute. You don't have that down.
Don't we usually have that?
Yeah, that's better. No, that's better. Yeah. Oh, what have we got to say?
Oh dear.
Nothing.
Nothing. Why did you set it up then?
I did.
Nothing to say.
Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't.
Maybe you should have.
Shouldn't have.
Don't know. So, you've had your shower, we've had us breakfast, and what are you going to do? Have you out planned for today?
No.
No. I am. I'm just going to read my book. I'd like some things from bread shop.
What would you like? What?
I don't know whether to just send you, because you know what I'm like, walking. You'll be quicker. Well, they sell gluten-free cakes, don't they? Up there. Could go and choose gluten-free cake and a normal cake, some bread, small loaf, and they do their own like coleslaw and potato salad and
Do you think
beans.
they'll be open all day?
No, I think they'll shut at maybe 1. What time is it now?
20 past 11.
Is it?
I would have thought I'd close at 12. I
think they might only be open half a day on a Saturday.
I do.
So
We'll be lucky.
would you like to do that?
Well, I can do. I have to get my jeans on and yeah.
And you'll just pick what you fancy out at salady bit.
Salady?
Yeah, I've just been saying they do a coleslaw or a potato salad sometimes. Sometimes it's a beetroot salad. Sometimes it's a bean salad.
Did you say that? I never heard that. Because I was thinking about what you'd said, so I never heard any of that.
All right. Okay.
Well,
we've had it before. We've had the beetroot and the bean, I think.
Is that what happens? When you're thinking of something, do your ears get blocked? Do your ears put a...
Your mind puts a block on it, does it? Well, yours does.
Not everybody's.
Well, if I'm thinking about something, I can always hear what you're saying. Oh, Tracy.
Well, this video better be pretty short then. So I better film going up. I mean,
yeah.
I filmed this village.
Before?
I have, yeah.
Well, when you get back, you can film what you bought.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take it with me. I'll take it with me, because I haven't got out to say.
No.
We didn't go anywhere yesterday.
No.
After we'd got here.
No.
It absolutely slung it down last night.
Last night. It was like plates landing on the ceiling.
Plates. So,
I think the chap who has the hen has maybe got some more, because I've seen a couple of different ones, other than the brown one that came to greet us yesterday and tried to get in Trevor's.
didn't try it, what?
It were in, wasn't it?
What?
Under bed.
Yeah. It couldn't get far.
No.
But it was in there.
And then it went in that couple's caravan over there, didn't it, when they come back?
It did, yeah. That is, mind you try and pick it up. You can't avoid you.
Yeah.
Crouches down and spreads its wings.
Oh, does it?
Stops you
Wow, picking it up. Interesting.
Any road. I better get my socks. Get my socks on.
Your jeans.
I mean,
You've got socks on, do you?
that's an expression in it. Is it pull my socks up?
Yeah. Pull your socks
Not put
up.
them on. No, pull them up.
Pull your socks
And
up.
get off up there.
Right.
And hope I don't get drowned.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is just going to be a note bit. This bit.
A note bit.
So I'll show you a bakery, which you have seen it before. And what I get. All right.
Okay.
If I can follow instructions.
Right.
It is, yeah. I'll see you later on.
And salmon French toast, yeah.
That's where we've been. Pattacakes Bakery. Now they've been working their way up this street with flags. Oh, this all must be to do with coronation. Got all flags going up the high street, look. It's Costco, look, that they've got here. Oh, they put these out early, haven't they? I don't know what date the coronation is. Is it 6th of May or something? We won't be here. But we'll still be in the UK. I believe it's part of the UK where we're going. Well, I ain't got a passport, so it better be.
Coleslaw.
I've got some coleslaw and potato salad. You okay?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Oh.
Yes.
That's mine. That's the gluten-free.
I'm glad they had some. This will be mine, is it?
That's a lemon drizzle cake.
Oh, right. Looks nice.
Does it? Well, I said to her, have you got a small white loaf? And they didn't.
Right.
And they said, this is all we got left, what's on the counter.
Right.
So I chose this one.
Right. Oh, okay. Looks brown.
Is it brown? It's not white. It's not white.
I don't think it's white.
Oh, right. It ain't gluten-free at all, it's just normal.
No, just a normal loaf.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't think they did gluten-free bread.
No, I don't know. So there you go. That's
Thank you.
That was £12.50.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Yep.